Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best clawed garden gloves is probably one of the most innovative and practical tools to hit the gardening scene in years, designed to make your outdoor tasks not only easier but also more efficient, allowing you to dig, plant, and weed with unparalleled speed and precision, all while keeping your hands protected and clean from dirt and thorns, transforming your gardening experience from a chore into a joy with their unique, built-in claw design that eliminates the need for separate tools. Number 5. Bamboo Gardening Gloves. Introducing our new bamboo gardening gloves, designed for comfort and durability. Perfect for all your gardening needs. Experience a secure grip with the rubber-coated fingertips. This feature ensures you can handle tools and plants with confidence. Stay connected even while you work. These gloves are touchscreen friendly, allowing you to use your phone or tablet without removing them. Enjoy a breathable and lightweight feel that keeps your hands cool and comfortable all day long. Say goodbye to sweaty palms. Designed for everyone, these gloves offer a comfortable fit for both men and women. Get the perfect pair for any gardener. What we like? These offer a natural feel and excellent ventilation for your hands. If you're looking for gloves that keep your hands cool and allow you to use your phone without taking them off, these are a great choice. They are ideal for light to moderate gardening tasks where comfort and dexterity are key. What people say. These gloves are great for digging and planting. The claws are very sturdy and make it easy to dig into the soil. They are also comfortable to wear and provide good protection for your hands. Number 4. HANDLANDY Rose Pruning Gardening Gloves. Introducing the HANDLANDY Rose Pruning Gardening Gloves, designed for both men and women. Experience ultimate protection and comfort during your gardening tasks. Crafted from premium pigskin leather, these gloves offer exceptional breathability. They keep your hands cool and comfortable, even during long hours of work. The pigskin palm and back provide superior thorn-proof, wear-resistant, and puncture-resistant protection. You can confidently handle thorny plants without worry. Featuring a durable cowhide leather gauntlet cuff, these gloves extend protection to your forearms. Safeguard yourself from cuts and scratches from sharp branches. With reinforced fingertips and a padded palm, these gloves offer enhanced protection and durability. They are built to withstand tough gardening jobs. These soft yet puncture-resistant gauntlet gloves are perfect for trimming roses, pruning holly and berry bushes, and tending to cactus plants. They are your ideal gardening companion. What we like? Experience superior protection against thorns and cuts with these. The long gauntlet design safeguards your forearms, making them perfect for handling roses and other prickly plants. If you frequently work with thorny bushes or need extra forearm protection, these are the gloves for you. What people say. The claws are very sturdy and make digging much easier. These gloves are surprisingly comfortable and fit well. Great for gardening tasks like planting and weeding. Number 3. HANDLANDY Women's Work Gloves. Introducing HANDLANDY Work Gloves, designed specifically for women. Experience superior comfort and protection for all your tasks. Crafted from breathable leather, these gloves keep your hands cool and comfortable, even during extended use. Perfect for gardening and general yard maintenance, they offer excellent dexterity and grip for precise work. These gloves provide reliable hand protection, safeguarding your skin from dirt, thorns, and minor abrasions. Stay connected without removing your gloves. The touchscreen compatibility allows you to use your devices with ease. Enjoy a combination of lasting durability and a comfortable fit. They are built to withstand your toughest jobs. What we like? Designed specifically for women, these offer a comfortable and secure fit. The breathable leather keeps your hands cool, and you can easily use your devices. If you're a woman gardener seeking a blend of comfort, protection, and modern convenience, these are an excellent option. What people say. The gloves are very durable and have held up well through multiple uses. The claws on the fingertips are incredibly useful for digging and planting without needing separate tools. They provide excellent protection for my hands while gardening, preventing scratches and dirt from getting inside. Number 2. DCCPAA Garden Gloves with Claws. Tired of struggling with gardening tasks? Introducing a revolutionary tool designed to make your work easier and more efficient. These gloves feature integrated claws, perfect for digging, planting, and weeding. They transform your hands into powerful gardening tools. Don't let wet conditions slow you down. These gloves are completely waterproof, keeping your hands dry and protected while you work. Designed for both men and women, these gloves offer a comfortable and secure fit. Enjoy your gardening without discomfort or strain. From seeding to tackling tough weeds, these gloves are your go-to solution. Experience the difference they make in your garden. What we like. These gloves transform your hands into gardening tools with their integrated claws. They are perfect for digging, planting, and weeding without needing separate tools. If you love to get your hands dirty and want to speed up tasks like planting and soil aeration, these are a must-have. What people say. The gloves are very durable and have held up well through multiple uses. The claws on the fingertips are incredibly useful for digging and planting without needing separate tools. They fit snugly and provide good dexterity for handling small plants and seeds. Number 1. HandsOn Cut and Water Resistant Gardening Gloves. Say goodbye to painful pricks and cuts. These gloves feature a cut-resistant lining that protects your hands, fingers, and nails from thorns and debris. They are tough yet comfortable and well ventilated for extended use. Our patented nodule design speeds up hand digging. These nodules enhance safety and redefine how you break soil and plant, giving you unmatched control and efficiency in your gardening tasks. Designed with an ultra-tacky material, they provide real traction and grip. The adjustable wrist strap ensures a secure fit, keeping dirt and debris out while offering superior grip and protection. Whether your garden calls for rain or shine, these gloves rise to the occasion. Crafted from flexible, water-resistant materials, they are designed for wet or dry conditions, keeping your hands comfortable and protected. Perfect for planting, pruning, trimming, and weeding. The unique nodule design acts as a claw to quickly break up soil and dig holes, eliminating the need for multiple tools. What we like. These heavy-duty gloves provide exceptional protection against cuts and water, ensuring your hands stay safe and dry. The unique nodules enhance grip and make digging easier. If you're a professional landscaper or a serious gardener who tackles tough jobs in various weather conditions, these offer durability and efficiency. What people say. The gloves are made of durable material that withstands thorns and sharp objects. The integrated claws on the fingertips make digging and planting much easier. They offer a good grip, even when handling wet soil or tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.